Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about application guide to marine scholarship of China for 2023 or 2024. It will be same instructions. And now we will talk about this scholarship in Xiamen University. So let's proceed. So you can read the introduction here. The state Oceanic Administration and China's Ministry of Education jointly initiate the Marine Scholarship of China for the purpose of providing financial support to outstanding students from coastal countries or regions around the South China Sea, Pacific and Indian Ocean, and African and American developing countries study in China for master doctoral degree program. Eligibility criteria: applicant must be non-Chinese citizen in good health from coastal island country of South China, Indian Ocean and island countries, African, American developing countries. Applicant must apply for the postgraduate degree program of ocean related specialities, and educational background and age limit they have mentioned. Master's program, bachelor's degree are above under the age of 40, and doctoral program master's degree are above B under the age of 45. Academic programs, so these are the programs which they offer in marine scholarship. Chinese medium, if you want to study the Chinese, this course will be School of Law. You can apply and College of Ocean and Earth Sciences, College of Environment and Ecology. You can apply in these departments in Chinese instructions. And in English, you can apply for School of Law, College of Ocean and Earth Sciences, Coastal and Ocean Management Institute, and College of Environment and Ecology. You can apply for this program in English medium. So the courses will be taught in English. Duration of the scholarship: for the masters they will have 2 to 3 years, and for doctoral program they will have 4 years duration of the scholarship. Okay, and note for those who have not meet the entry requirements of Chinese proficiency level and wish to take remedial Chinese courses before the major study in Chinese, they should also present the HSK certificate when applying. Applicant for the program in law need to have Chinese proficiency certificate of HSK band 4 with score of 180 or above. Applicant for the masters in science and engineering need to have HSK 3 with the score of 180 or above. Only by passing the required HSK test within 5 years meet the entry requirements. Scholarship recipients shall participate in annual review in accordance with relevant management regulation of the scholarships. Okay, and then scholarship quota about 10 to be determined. Coverage of the scholarship will be a tuition fee. You don't need to pay the tuition fee. They will provide you accommodation, and if you want to rent apartment outside, okay, you don't want to live in the dormitory, then they will provide 700 per month RMB for master's student and 1000 RMB per month for doctoral student. Living allowance will be, they will provide you monthly allowance except that accommodation allowance, 3000 for masters and 3500 for doctoral student. Comprehensive medical allowance, insurance as well. Note other expenses for study in China such as international travel expenses, cost of physical examination, security deposit, utility cost, or for cost for non-campus on-campus accommodation, and cost of course materials should be borne by the scholarship received by themselves. So they will not provide you that. Okay, and then application period will be December 1, 2022 to February 28, 20. So in this year now, as we are making the video in 2023 now, and the deadline will be from December 1, 2023 to February 28, 2024. Application procedure: you need to submit the application here. You need to select the category B and agency number of that university, specific university. Now I am talking about Xiamen University, so you need to provide that agency number in your application portal. And then after that submitting the application, then you need to submit the application at Xiamen University as well. You can read further guidelines here for masters and for doctoral student. And yeah, if you will have any question related to that scholarship or related to specific question related to Xiamen University, then you can contact on that email address. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then subscribe to our channel. I wish you best of luck. Stay happy, blessed, and yeah, remember me as well in your prayers, and kindly support us guys. We daily upload the videos to our YouTube channel for you guys, so that you can get some good scholarship and proceed your studies. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.